How to fix character limit reach in Elevenlabs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the character limit reach issue in Elevenlabs. This problem occurs when you try to generate a voiceover that exceeds the allowed character limit for your plan. To resolve this, consider splitting your text into smaller sections and generating each part separately. Alternatively, you can upgrade to a higher tier plan with a larger character limit if you frequently need to generate long scripts. Now that you know how to fix the character limit issue, you can continue creating your content without any interruptions.